Oh, this is a good one, guys. Big smallmouth bass, guys. This sucker's huge. This is a big one. He's pulling drag. Oh, this is a good bass, guys. This thing is huge. Look at the size of that bass. Oh. Oh yeah, got him. Got him, boys. Woo! That's a largie. Largie.
Oh my, that's good.
That's a largie right there.
What?
A largemouth bass right there. That's a beautiful bass, guys. Freaking smacked it. Anyway, guys, that's a beautiful fish right there. Mwah! Gotta give him a kiss and on him back. Good job, bud.
Let's go.
You got him.
Oh,
Come on, striper. Let's get a striper.
Sweet.
Yeah, we got a striper. Heck yeah, nice, bud. That's a good one. That's a good striper, man. Oh, I got another one. Woo! Here we go, boys. Another one. This is a largie. You guys are catching the stripers, and I'm catching everything else. This is a smallie. Smallie. God, these things are mean. Hey, Frankie, look at this fish. Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wow, you caught a little baby.
Hey, get the fish, get the fish.
Look at that, Frank.
Get the fish.
Anyway, guys, that's a good fish right there. Beautiful, stubborn bullhead. Yeah, just leave him. Yeah, just leave him. I haven't seen this much action off the shore in so long. This is crazy. Insane, guys. Absolutely insane. The action we're just getting right off the shore. This is nuts. Oh, I got another one. Woo! Nice. Another smallie. Another smallie. Oh my goodness. Another smallmouth. Ah, easy, bud. Easy. Hey, easy, bud. Ow. Get out of here. Jeez. Freaking mean. These guys are mean. I want stripers. I need stripers, not freaking largies and smallies. Oh. Oh no, I missed him. Come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. This is a good one. This is a better one. This has got to be a striper. Gotta be a striper. This is a good one. Yee-hoo! Hard fighting striper. We doubled up. Nice, man. Doubling up on stripers. Sick. Sick. Hey, easy, bud. Hey, easy. Yeah, that's cool. We doubled up, man. That's neat. That is awesome.
They phoned each other. Hey, bro, you check out this fish?
Yeah.
And those fins on the top kind of.
Yeah. You grab him by the mouth and he can't get you. You wanna go put that on the, well, hold on a second.
I would.
Yeah, just hold him right there in the mouth. Just clamp onto him. Wow, dude. You're mean. God, he just inhales that. Oh, shit. Yeah, awesome. Looking doubled up. Heck yeah, son. I got him. Oh, big one. Big one. This is a good one, guys. Much bigger ones. This is a much bigger one right here. This is a good one, guys. This is a good one. Oh yeah, this is a big one. This is a big one. This is a big one.
Got a big one!
Got a big one. Got a big one.
That goes so far.
Oh, this is a good one, guys. Big smallmouth bass, guys. This sucker's huge. This is a big one. He's pulling drag. Oh, this is a good bass, guys. This thing is huge. Look at the size of that bass. Oh, look at the size of that bass. Look at that thing. That's the biggest smallmouth I have ever caught in my life. Look at the size of that beast. That's a trophy. I have never caught a smallmouth that size before. Oh my heavens. Try not to cuss, but that is a freaking beast. Look at that fish, guys. Oh my gosh, that is a big smallmouth, guys. No, yeah, I'm gonna let him go. Look at that beautiful fish. Holy cow. I got that on that video too, man. That's a beast. All right, guys, this is my personal best with a smallmouth bass, man. That thing is just a freaking toad. Mwah! What a fight he was, man. That was freaking cool. Just an absolute beast, man. My first actual big smallmouth right there. That's just a trophy for me. That's my personal best right there. So, mwah! Cool. That's awesome. Oh, he's got one. Freaking killing it. Looks like a good one. On the lucky pull. Get her in, boy. Get her in. Yeah, it looks like a good one. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice striper. Sweet, man. Killing it. Oh my goodness. Caught him, guys. Got him. Woohoo. Oh yeah, good one, guys. Another good one. Another good one. Another good one. Another hard fighting smallie. Has to be a hard fighting smallie. Oh man, these guys are mean. Oh man, there's some bulky freaking smallies today, man. They're ginormous. Mean, powerful. What a fight. What a show these fish are putting on today, guys. This is insane. Cool beans. Beautiful fish. Here at Lake Powell. Last day, man. This is fun. This is fun. See you later, bud. Gotta hate it when those smallmouths hit my... They rip that freaking bait up bad. Oh, look at all those fish jumping right there, dude. Look at all the minnows. All those minnows jumping right there.
Where did you throw it?
Just straight out, like kind of like there.
Okay, I'll just go a little further.
Ah, I got him. Ha ha.
No way.
Got him, baby. Get in here, bud. Another smallmouth.
Why did you find a smallmouth?
I don't know. They just like this, I guess.
I got one right here.
Mwah. See ya. Grow big, my darling.
Don't come back, buddy.
Grow big, my darling. This jig has had it. The swim bait has had it. What is it? Okay, guys, that was insane. I've never caught fish like that from the shore. I mean, it was back to back to back. We doubled up, tripled up. I mean, it was insane. There was just a school of fish just feeding in the weeds right here. Absolutely unreal, guys. Just unreal. It's beautiful. Everybody's out having fun, volleyball. Gotta love coming out to Lake Powell. So let's get to cooking, guys. First, we gotta fillet these bad boys. So let's get them filleted, and it's time to eat. So let's do it. Okay, we're back in the kitchen here. So what I did was I just seasoned the fish with some garlic powder, some onion powder, black pepper, and some lemon pepper seasoning. And it's gonna be good. We're gonna go put it on the smoker. And we're gonna be cooking it with asparagus. So asparagus and striped bass, so it's gonna be pretty good. So let's get to cooking, boys. So I got this set to 300. It's gonna be at 300 degrees when it warms up. I'm not gonna slow smoking. I'm actually gonna cook it while it's smoking. So it's not gonna be slow smoke, because I didn't brine it or nothing. We're just throwing it on here. So let's just get it on the old smoker. So it's going to be kind of a faster cook, but still going to be good. So now, while this is warming up and cooking, we're going to go get our asparagus going. Okay, guys, this is looking good right now. Let's check on her. Looking good, guys, looking good. I think that's ready to go. So let's just go finish our asparagus, and we're ready to eat. That looks good. Dang good. Woo-hoo. Excited. This looks amazing, guys. I am excited. Oh, it looks good. Okay, got our asparagus cooking. Gonna put some black pepper. Real good. And then we got some salt. Last but not least, garlic pepper. Yeah. Looking good. And now, I'm gonna throw some butter on there. Roll these around and all that seasoning, and it is gonna be prime. Oh yeah. Gonna be prime. Yeah, getting that color going, getting it nice and soft. Absolutely love asparagus, man. That is good stuff right there. Woo. Love asparagus. So now, while that's cooking, I forgot lemons at the store, so we're just gonna have to use this lemon juice. Just kind of throw it on this fish a little bit. And then, we just got some butter. I'm just gonna put a little bit of butter on there to keep that fish nice and moist. Yeah. Yeah, nice buttered fish. Beautiful. Love it. So yeah, nice, beautiful fish meat right there. Nice striper. Ah, freaking love striper. I just love eating fish. Okay guys, there it is. It's gonna be delicious. Ah, yes, can't wait to try it. Asparagus right there. Love asparagus. Ow, hot. Ow, hot. Ooh, let it cool off. Ow, it's hot. But the fish is really good too. I mean, right there, nice chunk of meat. Striped bass all the way. That's good, guys. Wow. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of this catch and cook striped bass on the beach. I mean, catching them on the beach was just insane. I've never, ever had a day like that. I mean, we caught like 15, 20 stripers right off the beach between all of us, and I caught a whole bunch of smallmouths, which was awesome. And plus, I also caught my personal best. I mean, that was a beast. That thing was a fight. Gotta love those bullhead smallmouths, man. They're just meaner than heck. They give you the best fight. I love it. But anyway, next week we're going dove hunting. So we're gonna do a catch, hunt, clean, cook video on that. So stay tuned. Hit that notification button, hit that subscribe button, guys. We'll see you next time. Love y'all. Peace.